Hi, in this video we are going to see the hydro turbines. What is a turbine and what are the classification and what are the specification of the turbines? These are the things we are going to see in this video. So first we are going to produce electricity means we need a rotation of the shaft. Okay, so we know generator, the principle of the generator we know. So when the shaft is rotating and it cuts the magnetic field, the EMF is produced. So okay, fine. So that we can produce electricity. So to rotate the shaft, what we can do? So rotate the shaft in the sense either we can rotate manually or with some other mechanical purpose, mechanical functions. So here the turbines or the machines which convert hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. So what will happen is that is we need rotation of the shaft, so that one end of the shaft is connected with a turbine blades. So when the water or a steam hits on the turbine is going to be rotated. So when the turbine blades are rotated and since it is fixed in the shaft, that is also be going to be rotated. This is the logic over here. So how it is rotated? That is the thing. What energy is used? Already we have studied energy cannot be created and cannot be destroyed, but one form of energy can be converted. So here, water, the potential energy in suppose if you take a dam water, okay, the water is getting stored and it has the potential energy, and when it falls, when it comes with a high velocity and it hits on that drum rotation turbine, then we can that is we can utilize the potential energy and the kinetic energy of the water is converted and to rotate the turbine. So when it hits on the water turbine blade, it is going to be rotated. So how it is this is what the the water's potential energy and kinetic energy is being utilized for the rotation of the turbine. So in 19th century, the water turbines are developed and it is used for mainly industrial power production. Normally, where the power generation required for the industries, for that purpose it started. And nowadays, for entire country, we are producing through waters for water turbines. So in wherever the dams are there, wherever the water is getting stored, so from there we can get the potential energy of water, so that after it is going to be converted into the rotational energy of shaft. Okay, so the flowing water is directed to the blade of the turbine runner. It creates a force on the blade. Since the runner is spinning, the force acts on the distance, and that is in the way the energy is transferred to the water flow to the turbines. So as I said, the kinetic energy, the potential energy is getting into the kinetic energy, and then it hits on the turbine blades. You can see some one of the turbine is shown here. We will see about how it is going to be function. It's called a Pelton wheel turbine. We will see in the further classes. So a turbine blades, it water hits on the turbine blades, so that the turbine is going to be rotated. This is the logic over here. So the classifications, let me see what are the types of turbines are here. So normally hydraulic turbines, we will call it as hydraulic turbines. So based on the energy at the inlet, so impulse energy and reaction turbine, impulse turbine and reaction turbine. So when the water directly the stream of water, the pipeline, through the pipeline water is, we are bringing the water from the dam and it is injected directly to the blades. So the water is getting directly uh, filled on this what is that, turbine blade. So the energy is in the form of kinetic form. A Pelton wheel turbine or turbo wheel turbine, it's a direct heat of this water, and the energy or the rotation based upon the pressure created or whatever it is, it's based upon the water force. So here it is a impulse turbine, and a reaction turbine is the energy is in the form of both kinetic and pressure form. So extra with the help of the casing, with the help of the circumference, we are creating to create a pressure inside, so that it shares the reaction turbine. Okay, so a tubular turbine or bulb or propeller or Francis turbine, these are the turbines which are working under the principle of reaction. So it's a reaction turbine and impulse turbine. And based on the direction of flow of the water through the runner, we can call it as tangential flow, radial outward flow, axial flow, and mixed flow. Tangential flow, that is the water through the pipe. We are bringing the water through the pipe from the dam, and we are going to make a heat on the turbine blades. So the water direct it hit on the blade in a tangential process. Actually the blades are located in a circular manner, that is on the periphery of the shaft. Okay, so when the water is hits on the blade, the blades at a tangential manner. Okay, then the water is the turbine is going to be rotated. After this, water hits in a tangential to the blade, so that is called a tangential flow. And the radial flow is where the water is getting in the radial flow. There is two things, one is axial and mixed flow is there. So water flows parallel to the axis of turbine. So it axis where the rotation of the shaft according to the axis, the water is flows parallel to the axis of turbine and then makes the blade to rotate. That is one different working principle of the turbine. It's an axial flow turbine. And mixed flow is a combination of axial and radial. So this based on the head. So head means pressure head. We call it as pressure head. How much pressure water it can create, and how much pressure it can hit on the turbine. It based upon the head of the under which the turbine it can works. So can withstand, the Pelton wheel turbine can withstand at a high level, high head turbine. We call it as high head turbine, and medium head is reaction turbine. So pressure is limited to that, and low head turbine is a reaction turbine. It's a Kaplan or propeller turbine around 25 bar. Some bore pressure is getting limited over here, and based on the specific speed of the turbine, rotation of the turbine, when it is rotated very fastly, so we will call it as low specific speed or high specific speed or medium specific speed. The impulse turbine, the Pelton wheel is a low speed turbine, Pelton wheel turbine, and medium speed is the Francis turbine we can take. So the three important turbines we are going to see is a Pelton turbine, Francis, and Kaplan turbine. So Pelton turbine is a impulse based, and Francis turbine is a medium head reaction turbine, and Kaplan turbine is a low head reaction turbine. So these are all the classifications on the based on this, and another one is based on the name of the originator. So who invented the turbine, so that we can call it as Pelton turbine. It's an impulse turbine. Reaction turbine is Fournier turbine. These are Francis turbines, Moody turbines, Bell turbines. These are all just by naming we can get it the name of the turbine, those who are invented that. So these are the classifications of turbine. Next we will see one by one how the turbine is going to work. Other turbines, Francis, Kaplan, and